Changing your business category on Pinecone AI can help ensure that your services are accurately represented. Follow these steps to update your category effectively. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon or menu option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select business information. In the settings menu, find and select the business information section. This is where you can manage details related to your business profile. Step 4. Change business category. Within the business information section, look for the business category field. Click on the drop-down menu or edit option to select a new category that best fits your business. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the new category, ensure you save your changes by clicking the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. This will apply your new business category. By following these steps, you can successfully update your business category on Pinecone AI. Make sure to review your profile to confirm the changes have been applied correctly.